Getting your windows beautifully clear and streak-free transforms any room from dull and dark to bright and airy. It's definitely worth the effort. I have found vinegar to be the best natural cleaner for this task, giving shiny and streak-free results. What's not to like? Mix equal parts vinegar and water and put the mixture into a spray bottle. 10 drops of essential oil of your choice can help dampen the strong vinegar smell. If you want some extra cleaning power, you can try adding a little bit of washing up liquid into the mix. I like to use microfiber cloths for this task, but squeegees are also very effective. Now let's get started. Spray a generous amount of cleaner directly onto the glass. I like to leave the solution on for a minute or two before wiping, as grime comes off easier this way. Then, starting at the top, work your way downwards. If you're using a squeegee, wiping the blade from time to time can help prevent smearing dirt back onto the glass. And there you have it. Simply beautifully clean, clear and shiny windows. What could be better? Thanks for watching and see you next time.